They must have known it was in here, or they would have killed it.
He's still alive, or else they took his feet off. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie.
Where's that container?
I can't answer that. I can tell you where the bird is.
I know where the bird is.
I got eyes on the bird.
Okay, well, I'm looking for a container.
Hey, can we talk all Secret Service like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Flamingo's on the counter. Flamingo's on the chair.
The hen is in the fox house.
No, it's a flamingo.
I'm gonna have to use this because I can't find the Tupperware.
Code words matter. Put him in the boob mug. Get the boob mug.
I don't want to hurt him.
Tell us your plan.
I think I'm just gonna... Don't peck my eyes out. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey little guy, we're trying to save you. How long do you think you've been living in here?
I don't know. Not really sure what we do with this.
Lice from birds?
I'm not sure. I can't. Anyway.
Hey little guy. There's no way the dogs knew that it was in here.
You're missing Gatsby?
Oh, fuck. No, I don't want it to die. I'm trying to save it. I think it can't. How the... Do not peck my eyes out.
Is that an order?
Yes, it's a direct order.
Oh, you know what he's doing? He's flanking you.
I know.
He's getting your flank. He's gonna take. Ah, shit! Here, birdie, birdie, birdie.
Where'd he go?
He's on the bathrobe.
Oh, okay. He's like a mini hawk.
Maybe you should put a worm inside.
Look. I got it. Hey, go back outside. Go back outside. Woo!
Wrong way. He's gonna start shitting on
He
stuff.
pooped on the couch.
See? Look, fucker.
Where'd he go?
He's up there on the doors. That one doesn't have a screen.
LA woman, my ass. Oh, he's in the basket. You gotta come back this way. He's on Benny's baby. I have a feeling this isn't gonna work.
Oh, hey. What do you got
Flip
there?
it over.
Well, he went right through the side.
Yeah, but, oh.
Yeah, babe, that didn't work.
This is turning not fun. Hey, little guy.
Can we just name it? And, like he lives with us now?
Okay, but what do you feed him?
Gummy worms.
Is that his name or what we're feeding him?
Yeah, we can go with both.
What kind of bird is it?
It's about to be a dead bird if you don't get out of the...
I'm not gonna kill it. I'm getting so much dog hair on me right now.
You kind of put yourself into that position.
Where'd he go? The window's open. Did he fly out?
No, he landed right below it.
God damn it.
Hey, bird. This way. This way, bird, bird,
Out
bird.
the window. Where'd he
Here,
go?
bird, 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 bird.
Here, if we hold the towels up and he can't fly past us, he'll have to go out that window.
We have to document this
Sorry.
for National Geographic.
Bird edition?
Bird edition.
Hey, buddy, you gotta go outside. You're gonna have a heart attack. Yeah? Uh-huh. You're stuck now, huh?
Oh, no, he's not. He's not stuck. He's right there.
Fuck. Go out the window. Go out the window. Yes, go. Go out the window. No, out the fucking window, dumb.
Hey, you little shit fuck. I'm about to turn the fucking dog loose on you.
No.
Yeah, I will.
He's so strong.
He's strong of what?
Hanging on the wall. Like a bird.
I mean, like he is.
You know, I was gonna ask you what that was earlier today. Now I wonder if the bird was in here all day shitting on our toilet.
How did he get in?
I don't know.
How do we get him out? Oh, look out! He's on the ground. He's on your bra. He's on the bed.
Now we're definitely gonna get lice. He's getting tired. Now he's just hopping. God damn it. Is he in Benny's place?
No, he's on the door. Nope, now he's on the floor.
Open the door, or unlock the door. I'll go open it.
I can't see him. I hear him.
He's under the bed.
He's on the driver's side.
Unlock that door. I'll open
Okay.
it. Move it, guys. How could you not kill the bird?
Try to go out for Taco Tuesday.
Come
This
on,
is
little
what you
guy.
come home to.
Huh?
I was narrating for the video. You want the flashlight?
Yeah.
Oh shit, he's back here. Sneaky little shit. Go out the window. Go, fuck!
Dinner.
He's out the window.
Yes! How are we at dinner for 2 hours and the dogs are in here with a bird and they don't kill it? It's hanging out where Vinny hangs out.
You missed. I was like a fucking magician. I landed on the towel.